What's up, y'all? We're gonna go get our toes and nails done. I'm gonna get my toes. C-Song's gonna get his nails. Yeah, my toes are not cute right now, but that's what we're doing today, and then we're gonna film another video later on. But
my haircut.
yeah, C-Song is getting his haircut.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
Beat down.
His hair, bruh, his hair is not even bad. He gets haircuts every week, and his hair be like perfect, literally.
I know, but I feel crunchy. Like, I just feel like it's not giving. It's just like y'all girls when y'all get y'all wigs laid, braids done.
Even my eyebrows. That's why I'm wearing these glasses, y'all, because my eyebrows,
boy, if you don't,
are not done. Okay, bye. Hang up on you. Not in the mood.
Made it through property on that minority, you never start. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison.
Hey guys, so got my toes done. C-Song is still getting his nails done.
not done yet. Haven't gotten.
What are you getting on your thumb, index, and pinky?
We'll see.
Can you stop? Alright, so we're back in the car. C-Song is about to go get his haircut. He need that hairline fixed real bad.
Not too much.
I'm so hungry. All I had today was a bowl of cereal. 2 bowls of cereal.
All I had was a good old bowl of air. What are you doing if you're turning? Your turn signal is on. Like, oh my God, I can't.
That's why I was saying, ooh, because they kept going straight. Do not come to Florida if you do not know how to drive, because
Please just
niggas out here don't know how to drive.
Y'all want to see my nails? Is it giving, y'all? It's giving aura. It's giving summer, spring.
But we're gonna listen to music, and I do not want to get copyrighted, so
we'll talk to y'all later when I get to the barbershop.
Yeah, bye.
On my bed, people. Motherfucker, house be looking. She fucking with me. Is this? He said he ain't fucking around. I used to be down.
We just left the barbershop. Yeah, you see it. We're so hungry, so we're probably gonna go get something to eat. I don't know what though.
Appreciate my nails one more time because they just eat so bad.
My stomach is so like frustrated. So
She about to start eating my nails now.
I'll see y'all whenever we get our food. Like I said, I don't know what we're gonna get, but I will see y'all when we get it.
Bye.
I guess we're both about to get Chipotle. And I saw on TikTok that if you record with like a phone, or in my case a camera, they have to overfill your bowl. Bro, I'm telling you, watch.
You're gonna be angry.
Listen, they said this because I guess people were just downing Chipotle like, oh, they don't give us enough portions, blah, blah, blah. So they made a new rule. If someone's recording on their phone, they have to overdo it. He doesn't believe it. So we are gonna test this out because I guarantee my bowl is gonna be packed and his is gonna be empty.
Ooh, I'm gonna just keep saying extra. They know better than play with me, girl.
Empty.
One thing about me, I'm gonna eat. Ooh, look at that queso. Oh, just.
May I please have a bowl with white and brown rice, please?
And any beans today, black and pinto? I'll get you some new beans. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
That's fine. But yes, it's gonna be black beans.
Right back.
Okay.
Eat this shit.
No.
Alrighty. Eat your all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can I have a little bit more sour cream? Thank you.
May I please have pico? Sour cream.
Anything else down here?
No. Cheese, guac, and lettuce. And a little bit more cheese. Thank you.
You're welcome. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Get you the Chipotle out.
Can I have an extra bag, please? Thank you so much.
Anything else?
That's it. And then I'm gonna scan my app.
You need a bag to go?
Yes, please.
The cash or card?
Card. Thank you. Thank you. Bag secured. Now I'm gonna go to McDonald's to get my bev. It just stuck. Y'all, it is so hot. Hot as the, you know what I want to say.
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no leak, and no nigga ain't got me.
Hopefully y'all can hear us actually to the AC, but I'm hot. I was just walking outside, that's why. I haven't let y'all eat. Look. So my order is white rice, brown rice, steak, pico, lettuce, cheese,
Yeah, steak, honey.
guac, which I never really used to get, and sour cream. It was about a spill.
Oopsie. Okay. Extra white rice, chicken, queso, lettuce, extra cheese, extra sour cream. And then I get a side of queso for chips.
Can I have a singular chip? Please, sometimes I like the crunch.
There's a crunch on your McDonald's fries that you also got.
Can I
She
please-
forgot to let you guys know that since it's Friday, she decided to go get fries too.
I actually
Oh.
I showed them.
Big.
Can I have a singular? I'll give you a fry.
2 fries. And you got it there.
Give me 2 cheap. I mean, chips.
Too cheap.
2 chips.
This is the size of 2 fries.
Okay.
Biggie.
Look at this, guys. If it would stop focusing on Seesaw.
It likes what it sees.
Here's an ASMR, y'all. We're gonna finish eating. Checking out. Bye.
I'm a way loose. I can make the dough scream. I can teach finesse, and about my chick. You better come correct. These hoes stay choosing. Trap straight boom. I'm a pack move. I'm a way loose.
What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna be making Cajun chicken pasta. Cajun chicken pot. Bro, don't that sound so good? Anyways, I never made it before, so hopefully it comes out good. Cause the other day I made some arroz con pollo and it was literally a chef's kiss, bro. 20 out of 10, and I'm not even exaggerating because I made it like it was just so gas, bro. So hopefully this meal tops that or matches that because I want to eat good, you feel me? I already went and got all the stuff I needed for today's meal, but I actually forgot the Cajun seasoning. I thought like the Cajun sausage would be enough, but I need Cajun seasoning. So I asked my mom to go pick that up for me. So I'm gonna be trying this in the meantime. Sorry, I keep looking at Bullet. He's like trying to say hi to them. Say hi. That's what it looks like. This looks so good. I rate this 9 out of 10. Only reason why I don't rate it a 10 is because it's burning my tongue right now because it's fresh out the microwave. If you never had these, go get you some. You need you one of these. My mom actually just got back as I was saying that. So now, cook with me. but get into it. I'm gonna taste it for the first time and rate it 1 out of 10. Y'all eat first. I rate this like 19 out of 10. I have sweet tea as my beverage. If you watch my video, you know this is my go-to drink. I'm gonna finish eating and watching this movie, and I will see y'all later. Hey guys, so today's the next day, and it is Memorial Day, so you already know that means beach day, because I'm a Florida girl, so obviously I'm gonna be at the beach. Apparently it's gonna be like a beach party. We'll see how that goes though. It's 2 different beaches, and people are trying to figure out which one to go to, so hopefully the one closest to me, the better beach, is the party beach. I'm gonna go get crumble because they got new flavors this week, so I'm gonna see what the flavors are talking about, and then I'm gonna be on my way to the beach.
I look like I'm the man.
Alright y'all, so I got my cookie. I got the Oreo, I forgot what it's called, but I got the Oreo cookie. And then I also got some milk, because why would I get a crumble cookie that's Oreo at that with no milk? Like, look at it y'all. The little mini Oreo on the top is so cute. Just fire. I'm not even just saying that just because it's actually fire. And it's chilled, so it's like even better. And then I'll take a little nibble of the I love Oreos so much. But I'm probably about to finish this cookie real quick, and then I'm gonna be on my way to the beach.
On this flexin' nigga, he from Tennessee. I had a thought, she be with this shit. She told me where he be, I say for sure.
Don't stay godless when I see you, cause I'm already blessed, bitch. Don't got no time for no extras. Don't even text, but you still get the message. Pussy was better than expected. Hit that, I shot your name off the checklist. I ate that pussy for breakfast. Oh, you sucking dick on my seat with your breakfast. I wanna fight every nigga that had it. I wanna fight every nigga that had it. You causing this madness.
No, if you wanna eat, she like, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want to do, Jimmy Choo? What I am back to, red up, baby, she get the smile.
I finally found a parking spot, bruh. Literally one mad close, but whatever. So, what do we say?
Hey guys.
We're at
I
Siesta.
know y'all missed me from the last video.
We're at Siesta, about to get burnt slug, and
Who is getting burnt?
me, this white girl skin.
I just get blacker, guys. It's getting ghetto.
Welcome to the vlog. You already know, nigga. Baby Gucci.
Oh, I got Prada.
Okay. Angelina. My man.
Oh, hey, boo.
Hello,
She don't want the baddest couple. Like,
My man. Yo. This is Lizzie, y'all. Yeah. Okay, bye. We're about to go to a different beach because it's not live here. It is not live. I thought it would be, but it's not. It's deep. But our people are not here, so we're gonna go to the other beach.
You ain't fucking with my clique. All you gotta do is post a pic and make them sick. Any nigga I fuck with, you know they gotta spit. Any bitch I hang around, you know that bitch is 10. Got an awful perk, take him out his shirt. Niggas act like bitches, so we put him on the skirt. Nigga think he on that, he gon' end up on the shirt.
Yo, Christy is the ass DJ.
new caller. Boop, hang up on you. Not in the mood. Like, you just switch the whole time.
Everybody has a playlist for everyone. How the fuck do you try her?
I'm so with these niggas, push shady. These bitches, they wanna have my baby. Wanna age, crack babies. Mama's in the streets, so guess who raised me? 9 years old, I see my niggas get shot.
Bands to make her dance. Bands to make her dance.
10,000 likes and I'm gonna twerk next video.
What are you saying, Yoshi? Stop. And the plot thickens.
out, so we just got to St. Pete. I'm not bringing my camera for obvious reasons. I'm gonna put footage from my phone, and I will see y'all later. So not too much on my hair because obviously I had a long day. I'm so sleepy right now, y'all. I'm just not making it home. 10:15, bruh. Like, I've been out almost 12 hours just at the beach getting all the energy drained out of me, literally. Apparently there's another party that starts at 11, but it's like, do I really want to go? Like, I just got home. I'm gonna shower and then want to go to bed. Like, be so for real. But anyways, I just came back on here to wrap up this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye, y'all.